Hi, you're on the CarTools channel. Let's check out the new selection of products. Links to all products are in the description below the video. Introducing the Sougayilang Fishing Rod Combo, a must-have for both novice and experienced anglers. This combo comes complete with everything you need for an exciting fishing adventure. It includes a top-quality carbon fiber telescopic fishing rod that offers incredible strength and durability. The rod features a hard and lightweight guide ring made from SiC ceramic, ensuring smooth casting and heat dissipation. With its lower friction coefficient and advanced epoxy resin adhesive, the guide ring is built to last. One of the reviews. I've had the pleasure of owning this fantastic fishing rod combo not once, but twice. Once for myself and recently as a thoughtful gift for my father-in-law. I have to say, the quality of this set completely exceeded my expectations, and I'm more than thrilled with the outstanding performance of both the rod and reel. As someone who is relatively new to angling, this combo has been an absolute game-changer in my fishing journey, providing me with the tools to start catching fish right from the get-go. Initially, I had some concerns about how seasoned anglers might perceive my gear, but much to my surprise, they were genuinely impressed by the exceptional quality and top-notch performance of this combo. PLUSINNO's latest release of their 404-piece fishing lures set represents a significant upgrade for anglers looking for a comprehensive tackle solution. The XL Tackle Box, measuring 9.5 x 5.9 x 2.6 inches, is a remarkable 42% larger than their previous 353-piece box, providing ample space for your essential fishing gear. This larger size makes it ideal for stowing in your car seat or backpack, ensuring convenience when heading to your favorite fishing spots. The double-layer design adds to the convenience, allowing for effortless access to neatly organized tackle. In terms of accessories, this tackle box truly has it all. It includes a wide array of lures such as poppers, frogs, spinners, and more, ensuring you're prepared for various fishing scenarios. The MOOCOR underwater fishing camera is a professional fish finder designed for anglers who enjoy sea fishing or ice fishing. This device consists of two main components, an underwater camera and a high-definition LCD monitor. It serves as an excellent companion for fishing enthusiasts, allowing them to monitor fish and observe underwater topography with ease. The camera provides clear visibility, making it possible to determine if fish are biting the hooks or not, making it a valuable tool for improving your fishing success rate. One of the reviews. My aunt invited my children and I to go fishing at her lake house. My husband hates fishing, so I decided to purchase this camera to get him excited about the trip. It worked. I've never used one before, so I have nothing to compare it to. But this camera is pretty awesome. Right out of the box, you can just feel the quality. It's solid and very well constructed. It came beautifully packaged as well. This camera is a pretty impressive gadget. It made fishing almost too easy, which was terrific for my husband. The picture quality underwater is absolutely amazing. You can vividly see, clear as day, exactly where the fish are and whether or not they like your bait as well. Even as the sun began to set, the night light option helped extremely, and also surprisingly attracted the fish to us even more. Battery life was just as advertised. We got a little over 8 hours out of this camera. The cable, very strong. I did not have to worry whatsoever about the camera coming loose and sinking. Totally worth the price. The KastKing Karryall fishing rod bag is a premium quality solution for anglers looking to protect their fishing gear while on the move. Crafted from double water-resistant, high-density 600D Oxford fabric with a PVC-coated exterior, this rod bag ensures that your valuable equipment remains safe from the elements. Additionally, the bottom of the bag is equipped with 4-foot pads, providing protection against wear and tear during transportation. With a spacious storage capacity, this bag can hold up to 6 rods and reels outside the bag, and the interior features a large storage space divided into 2 compartments. The lower part of the bag can accommodate up to 8 utility boxes, 3600 size, or 6 utility boxes, 3700 size, making it ideal for organizing tackle and accessories. The upper portion of the main compartment is perfect for additional fishing gear, rain gear, jackets, hats, and more. The HOOK-EZE fishing knot tying tool is a must-have gadget for anglers of all experience levels, offering a safe and efficient way to tie fishing knots. One of its primary features is preventing fishhook injuries by covering the sharp barb on the fishing hook while tying tackle. This makes it an excellent fishing gift for beginner anglers who are just learning to tie their own tackle, ensuring their safety during the process. What sets this tool apart is its versatility, as it is suitable for tying a variety of fishing tackle. It can accommodate fishing hooks ranging in size from a standard 4/0 down to the smallest hook size, number 28. In addition to hooks, it can be used to tie knots for jig heads, swivels, speed clips, and selected flies. Each tool also includes a stainless steel trimmer for cutting lines up to 50 pounds when needed, adding to its convenience. The TOPFORT 187/343 pieces Fishing Accessories Kit is a comprehensive collection of fishing gear that includes a wide range of accessories to meet the needs of anglers in various fishing conditions. This kit offers excellent value, with each piece costing only about $0.09 USD, making it a cost-effective choice for both beginners and experienced fishermen. One standout feature of this accessory kit is the use of anti-corrosion stainless steel for all components. Stainless steel is known for its resistance to corrosion, ensuring that these fishing accessories remain durable and functional even in harsh saltwater environments. This corrosion resistance is crucial as it helps prevent deformation and ensures that the accessories maintain their performance over time. Anglers can rely on this kit to attract more catches and entice predator fish to strike. The KastKing Pontus fishing net is a versatile and high-quality landing net designed to enhance your fishing experience. It features top-notch components, including a 6063 aluminum alloy handle and a durable FBR frame, ensuring exceptional performance and longevity. The extension handle, measuring 61 inches, is equipped with a reinforced aluminum rib for added strength, allowing you to handle various fishing situations with ease. One of the standout features of this fishing net is its foldable and retractable design. Using a triangle-shaped net hoop, it incorporates a push-down switch for convenient storage. You can quickly and effortlessly fold down the net frame, reducing its size for easy storage and transportation. This design also includes a floating EVA foam padding, making it easier to retrieve the net from the water while minimizing the risk of loss. The GETASI Rechargeable Headlamp is a powerful and versatile lighting solution for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Boasting a maximum brightness of 1200 lumens and equipped with a robust 1500 mAh built-in rechargeable battery, this headlamp provides brilliant illumination that can easily light up an entire tent or trail. What sets it apart is its long-lasting performance, offering 4 to 10 hours of continuous use when fully charged. The added battery indicator helps you keep track of usage, ensuring you're never caught off guard in the dark. The Berkley PowerBait Chroma-Glow Crappie Nibbles are a game-changer for anglers looking to up their crappie and panfish game. These unique bait enhancers are designed to take your fishing experience to the next level by adding the irresistible scent and flavor of PowerBait to your ordinary lures or live bait. What sets these crappie nibbles apart is their innovative scent dispersion technology. They are formulated as a water-soluble liquid attractant that disperses a powerful and natural live bait taste into the water. This means that when you use them in conjunction with your lures or live bait, you're effectively creating a scent trail that crappie and other panfish species find impossible to resist. It's like a dinner bell ringing underwater, attracting fish to your bait with unmatched effectiveness. The Flygo Men's Summer Outdoor Work Safari Fishing Travel Photo Vest is a versatile and practical piece of outdoor gear designed for those who love adventure, fishing, travel, or photography. This vest offers a range of features that make it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts. One of the standout features of this vest is its lightweight construction. It's made from a lightweight fabric blend that provides a minimal level of waterproof protection, making it ideal for those damp and drizzly mornings. Whether you're setting out for an early morning fishing trip or embarking on a travel adventure, this vest offers just the right amount of protection without weighing you down. The KastKing Fishing Pliers, Fish Lip Gripper, and Fish Scale Combo is a versatile and essential tool set for any angler. whether you're fishing in freshwater or braving the challenges of saltwater environments. This combo offers a range of features that make it a must-have for all fishing enthusiasts. One of the standout features of these tools is their corrosion-resistant construction. The 7-inch pliers are crafted from high-quality 420 stainless steel, ensuring they can withstand the harsh conditions of both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Additionally, they are coated with a durable corrosion-resistant exterior polymer coating, providing extra protection and longevity to the tools. The DECOHS Adjustable Ice Fishing Skimmer Scoop is a creative and practical tool designed to enhance the ice fishing experience. Its innovative retractable design allows you to adjust the length of the scoop to your preference, with the longest length reaching up to 31.7 inches. This feature is particularly valuable for ice fishermen as it assists in easily retrieving broken ice when ice fishing. The materials used in the construction of this ice scoop are of high quality and durability. The scoop itself is made of sturdy plastic, while the pole is crafted from durable aluminum alloy. This combination ensures that the skimmer is robust and capable of withstanding the cold and harsh conditions of ice fishing. The Eskimo Quantum Ice Auger is a powerful and efficient tool designed for ice fishing enthusiasts. Its 40cc high-compression 4-cycle engine delivers robust performance, effortlessly turning both 8-inch and 10-inch auger bits. Despite its power, the engine remains lightweight, ensuring ease of use and transport. One of its standout features is the quantum auger with a centering ring, making it perfect for re-drilling holes with precision. The quick-release bottle holder for 1 pound. Propane cylinders simplifies cylinder replacement, ensuring uninterrupted drilling. Additionally, the no-prime fuel system eliminates the need for engine priming, making startup a breeze. Overall, the Eskimo Quantum Ice Auger is a reliable and convenient tool that enhances the ice fishing experience. The Ghosthorn fishing rod holders for garage is an excellent solution for storing and organizing your fishing rods. This unique fishing pole rack offers a smooth 360-degree rotation feature, allowing you to access your rods easily from any angle. Whether you have a collection of inshore saltwater rods, trolling rods, fly fishing rods, or bait casting combos, this rack can accommodate up to 18 fishing rods without damaging or marring them. The LBW Automatic Spring Fishing Rod Holder is a fantastic addition to any angler's gear collection. This set includes 2 bank fishing rod holders that have been meticulously designed and optimized for an enhanced fishing experience. One of the standout features is the highly sensitive spring trigger mechanism, which is designed to respond to even the slightest movement of the fishing line. The tail bracket features a streamlined groove that can be easily inserted into the ground, providing stability on mud, sand, or rock cracks. When a fish bites and causes the fishing line to move, the spring rod holder's trigger is activated. This triggers an automatic contraction of the spring, quickly pulling up the fishing rod without the need for manual intervention. Thank you for watching, and please like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Also write in the comments which product you like the most. See you soon.